everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, complete frame-off, custom-built car. Stunning car, man. This car is awesome. And if you like the way it looks, wait till you see it drive. This thing just hits the road. Excellent. Love the color combination. Sorry about the shadows, but that's what we got to deal with here in the morning. Crocus yellow with that dark green leather interior. Yes, that is a factory color combination. Very cool car, guys. History behind the car. The car was actually started in the late 90s, finishing, well, I don't know if the car ever got finished. I guess you could say that. The majority of this car started, though, in the late 90s, early 2000s. A buddy of mine, Scott, down in Tennessee, is the one who actually kind of finished this car. There's more miles than what shows on the odometer, but there's not many miles on the car. It's one of those cars that you start to build. They did a beautiful job, and it just never really got finished. But this thing is stunning. Gorgeous paint, really nicely done. Lot of money spent on this car, man. It is awesome. Awesome car. Not a whole lot to nitpick. I saw a couple little chips in the paint, but the chrome and stainless is nice. I mean, just beautiful car. It is, sorry guys, little smudges on there. That's just fingerprints. I apologize, man. It's freezing cold, man. It's 18 degrees this morning. But we've got snow headed our way, so we're trying to get this thing done. But just super slick car. Touch up there. Awesome driver. Killer stance. All new glass. It's got that green tinted glass in it, which I thought was super cool. Power windows. It's got electric door releases, electric trunk release. Very nicely done. You can see it's got all custom molded interior. That's beautiful. I mean, it's a work of art inside. Trunks finished. Just a beautiful car. Really kind of a one of a kind, man. Look how that thing sits. Look at the rear end on that thing. It's got 12-inch wide American torque thrust on the rear. It's got the spinner caps. Got a Ford 9-inch in the rear with a 355 traction lock. It's 4-link rear suspension. Look at that thing, man. Just killer look. Love the way the wheels tuck up under there. Sits low on them. Killer look. 4-wheel disc brakes. Got a Fatman independent front suspension on it with rack and pinion steering. Got 4-wheel disc brakes. Pounding 454, and this thing revs like a small block. Edelbrock 750. I'm sorry, Holley 750 dual feed on it. It's got the Edelbrock aluminum intake, ceramic headers. Just jewelry underneath. Vintage air. It's all brand new. They just actually put the air on it. Ceramic coated headers, billet air cleaner and valve covers, HEI distributor, aluminum radiator with the it's got the electric fans. The stance on this car is just wicked cool. Yeah, you guys go open it up. Go ahead and open it up. Beautiful color combination. It's got electric release from the doors. You open up that other side, Mike. Again, it's got the green tinted glass, which is cool. Love this interior. It's all custom. You can see how they did it. It's all molded. I've ordered new carpet, floor mats for it. All leather interior, bucket seats, custom console. It's got a tilt column with a Budnik wheel. Autometer gauge cluster in there. This is a custom work of art, guys. B&M Quicksilver shifter. It's got power windows. They're under here, along with the dome light. The dome light does work. It's on a switch underneath here. Showing 9 miles on it. That's actually since my buddy got it completed. Aftermarket radio. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. Not Flowmaster. This is just like a what do you call it? Turbo exhaust. Again, it's got a custom. Your battery's actually in here. That's why that's out a little bit. Custom fuel tank. Again, it's got adjustable coilovers on the rear. Wicked cool car, man. Oh, this is some pictures of the car when they're actually building it, which is cool. Wicked cool car, man. It's hard, this thing's low. It's hard to get underneath it, but it's cool underneath. Wicked cool stance. Ooh, it's cold. My hands are freezing. Yeah, just very nicely done. If you're looking for something unique, something, a couple little stone chips on there, you know, something that nobody's got, but you'll like this car, man. It's wicked cool. Again, buckets, console, really cool dash. Very tastefully done. You got fired up, Mike. Like this revs like a small block. Yeah, maybe shut that. Hey, again, air's brand new, it blows ice cold. It's got a custom chrome prop rod. Gauges are all functional. Go ahead and shut that, Mike. Brake lights. Turn signals, brake lights, yep. Yeah, nasty sounding big block. I've already told Mike, take it easy, way too cold. With, I didn't turn the radio on, so you can power that up. I think it's gonna say source there on the bottom. Nope, right there, yep. I just have to find a channel over here on the right a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Blower motor works. Again, air blows cold. Doors open and close nice. No wipers, guys. Headlights. Turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. I've already told Mike, take it easy. This thing purrs like a kitten, but it comes out like a lion, boys. This thing will run. Look at the stance, man. Beautiful paint. Drives awesome. That stance is killer, man. That's a good looking car